Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unveiling Apple's next big compact desktop, the Mac Mini M5. Whether you're a developer, a creative pro, or just love slick tech, this pint-sized powerhouse could be your perfect partner in 2025. In this video, we'll cover everything. Intro, specs, 10 standout features, release details, and price. Introduction. The Mac Mini M5 represents an exciting leap forward for Apple's smallest desktop. With the new M5 chip, built on cutting-edge 3nm architecture, the Mac Mini is transforming from simple home office hardware into a true workstation-worthy machine, all while keeping its compact design and whisper-quiet operation. Specification chipsets available in M5 and higher performance M5 Pro versions. Fabrication 3nm chiplet-based SoIC architecture for improved efficiency and thermal performance. CPU cores 8 to 12 performance cores plus 4 to 6 efficiency cores. Model-dependent GPU options ranging from 10-core to 40-core GPUs. Neural engine 32-core or 64-core engine for advanced AI processing. Unified memory, 18 GB, 36 GB, 64 GB, and up to 128 GB LPDDR5X SSD storage. Speeds up to 7.5 GB per second, with options from 512 GB to 8 TB connectivity. Thunderbolt 5, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, up to 10 gigabits Ethernet display support. Drives up to 3 external 6K displays ports. 4x Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.2, 2x USB-A, Ethernet, headphone jack. Operating system comes with macOS Sequoia and integrated Apple Intelligence. Amazing features. M5 performance kit built on 3nm silicon. The M5 packs faster CPU, GPU, and AI power, all while using less energy. AI-first architecture on device. AI means you can run machine learning models locally using frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Chiplet-based design, SoIC technology boosts thermal efficiency and opens doors for multiple chip configurations. Expanded memory choices from 18 GB all the way to 128 GB. This Mac Mini is now viable for professional workloads. Blazing fast storage SSDs with 7.5 GB per second speeds get projects loading in seconds. Future-ready ports, Thunderbolt 5 and Wi-Fi 7 bring next-generation speeds to data transfer and peripheral support. Whisper quiet and compact, sustains high performance without increasing noise. A perfect desk companion. macOS Sequoia Apple Intelligence features like local text summarization, AI-generated visuals, and smart productivity tools run seamlessly. Triple monitor setup runs up to 3 6K displays simultaneously, ideal for editing, development, and multitasking. Pro-level workflows ready for heavy-duty use. From Final Cut, Xcode builds, metal rendering, to AI model training, all in a tiny box. Release date based on Apple's past pattern. The Mac Mini M5 is expected to be announced during Apple's October 2025 event, with pre-orders opening the same week and delivery scheduled for late October to early November 2025. Price estimates. Base model M5 18 GB 512 GB SSD $799. The Mac Mini M5 is shaping up to be the most powerful and feature-packed version, yet offering workstation-level performance, AI capabilities, and pro connectivity in a small, silent, and affordable package. It's poised to be a game-changer for creators, coders, and consumers alike. Thanks for joining this in-depth look at Apple's Mac Mini M5. If you're excited about its pro-level power, AI features, and future-ready tech, smash that like button and let me know which feature you're most hyped for in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're the first to know when these ship and real benchmarks drop. See you next time.